let me walk you guys through how I got this particular 3 straight wins from GBP USD. I share this particular trade in my VIP. Okay, so let's go to the chart so you understand. It's very simple, the same thing, repeating the same thing, the same process, back to back to back. Let's go to GBP USD. Pass like this, you see the market done already reversed and I'm expecting a very big push. So let's go. I have to clear all these things. Let me clear all these things. You can see the wins. It's very clean and clear, crystal clear. So how did I get all these 3 wins? Let me start from this particular last entry. This last entry was derived from something called momentum. You get? So this is a big secret and I'm sharing it out for free, but it is well. All I know is discipline is still the thing that keeps profitable traders out of the difference between profitable traders and unprofitable. So look at what is happening here. This is a continuation entry on GBP USD. How did I get this continuation entry? My continuation entry always be like this. You come, as long as you know where the market is going. Let's say the market is going down. Yeah, you can see that. All you have to do is to mark out the lows, the current lows. Current lows. You can see these are the current lows. Mark out the low. Allow the market to break, not just an ordinary break, but a momentum candle break. You can see this candle is a momentum. This is 4-hour time frame. You can see the candle is momentum. How do I know where to enter? Small candle before the big move is our supply zone. So mark out your supply zone. Allow the candles to enter inside or tap into your supply zone. Then you set your sell, which is very simple. You can see that. You set your sell. Pass like that. It is very simple. It may be simple for me because this is my strategy and out of experience, I believe in it. I can give you this strategy and you will still fail in it, because you don't believe, you have not done back tests, you have not tested and tried it. But if you try and test it so well, you will build your own belief in your own heart, which means anytime you see this particular strategy, you are going to strike with your bullets. So that's how I got this particular trade. I was expecting it to get here, but this is the last entry and I was okay with my wins. I have already taken profit around here, which is a clean 1:5 from 4-hour time frame. But if you go down 30 minutes time frame, this is around 1:7 or 8, more than, because my stop loss was very tight on this particular trade. It's around 1:8, yeah. You can see how simple that one is. Let me explain how we got the full trade from that beginning to the end. Look at from the beginning to end. I'm giving you guys my knowledge. It is well. All is well. So how did I get this particular sell? It's very simple. You can see we have a trend line. The market has been going up, creating higher highs, breaking structures to the upside. All of a sudden, we got a very big breakout, which is this. All we needed is to identify our supply zone, where the sellers sold the market from, which is here. Then mark it out and wait for the market to get back here. Anything that is not inside here is a fake one. So how do you get an entry? You mark your second breakout and wait for it to break. You can use this particular entry, put your stop loss above here, target 1:2, 1:3. This particular trade throughout the wins was how many? 1:15. 1:15 from the start to end. 1:15. That means if you are risking $1,000, you're making 15,000. If you're risking $100, you're making 1,005. So pass like that. Even if you're not flipping, this is a normal proper risk management trade that gave out a very big move. You can see that. Pass like that. Second entry is the same thing. Second entry, look at, I told you guys my continuation entry is always after a breakout. You can see we have a ranging, a kind of a low side support zone was broken. You identify your supply zone and wait for the market to get back there again. That's how we got this particular entry. Pass like that. So I've given you guys all you need for the week, all the motivation, or it's not even motivation, all the practical work this particular strategy is not going to work for you if you are not self-disciplined, if you are not patient enough, because patience is the key. Risk management follows, then good strategy follows as well. So what next? This is the last entry that I can see. This is the third and fourth entry, but I did not take this trade because I did not see a good okay, even if I want to take that trade, I see a good supply zone. Supply zone can be this particular jump. You can see we had a jump here, which is this. The market gave us third entry. This was the fourth entry. So now I'm expecting this market to do what? I don't trade all these pairs too, but I just felt like since gold has been leaving us without giving us entries, and we have been waiting for gold from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, almost, my patience is very top notch. You can see the market is about to break. If this market can be able to break here, then we expect a retest inside there. Then a continuation to the upside. Pass like that. Make nobody deceive you. Pass like that. Not only patient, they separate me and you. Nothing else. You have the good strategy already. Send me a DM if you need someone to guide you, to keep you accountable. Sometimes accountability is the thing, because sometimes if you hit your first loss, you go on revenge. Revenge trading will start and a lot of things. Have a great day, guys. Bye.